Hello, welcome to HLFGovernance platform. The platform provides an easy and secure way to spin up and manage Hyperledger Fabric network. Let's take a tour of the platform. To start, you need to provide details about your preferred Kubernetes cluster. To do this, you need to upload a kubeconfig file to get connected with the desired cluster. Once you are connected, you can see details about the pods, services, persistence volume claims from your cluster, right on our console. Now, to spin up the Hyperledger Fabric network, you would need couple of things. A certificate authority, also known as CA, some peers and ordering service cluster. You can spin up these from Nodes section. To create a CA, click on Add button for certificate authorities. Enter a display name for your CA, a pod name, registrar name and the secret. It's important to keep a reference of the entered registrar name and the secret. Click on the created CA to view its details. You can use this CA to register new identities. To register new identities, you need to enroll a CA admin. Please enter the details for CA admin, including the noted registrar name and the secret. When you enroll an admin, an identity would be generated in the wallet directly from your browser. This identity is not stored anywhere else, giving you a complete control of your keys. Let's register some identities for peers and orderers using CA. Make sure you select the correct enrollment type for the respective component. You will need these enrollment details in the later section. To create peers and orderers, you would need to define a MSP definition, which requires an admin identity. For an admin identity, you need to enroll a new identity with the type as admin. Now you are ready to create the MSP definition. Go to Organizations section for creating your MSP definition. You can either create a new MSP definition or import an existing one. Let's create a new MSP. An MSP ID needs to be unique. Select a root CA and provide admin details. When you click Create, an MSP definition will be created, which will have the required public keys along with the org admin's identity, stored in your wallet. Now, you have all the required things to create a peer. Go back to Nodes section and click on Add New Peer. Provide basic details and peers enrollment details. You can explore more by clicking Advanced Options to override the default values. Creating a peer node might take few seconds to a minute depending on your network connection. To complete the sample network deployment, let's create an ordering service cluster. Please provide basic details and select an MSP for ordering service. It is advisable to choose 5 nodes cluster deployment for ordering service to deal with fault tolerance. But, for test environment, you can have single ordering service. Provide enrollment and consortium details. Hooray! You are all done on the infrastructure setup for a Hyperledger Fabric network. Let's create a channel. You can create a new channel or join an existing one. Please provide a channel name. Member. Select an admin identity and ordering service. Once the channel is created, you can join a peer to the created channel by providing the peer and the signing identity. Click on Channel to view channel details like block height, nodes, installed and instantiated chaincodes. You can even join another peer from here, and install and instantiate new chaincode. Let's take a quick recap. You have configured a sample HLF network with one org, one CA, and one orderer node. As you configured a test network, sample CA was used to configure orderer. You can choose to use another CA for your orderer nodes. It's completely up to you. You can decide based on available Kubernetes resources. To add another organization to your network, just need to add the MSP definition to your console and add a consortium member in orderer node. To add an organization, you can always modify the channel definition and add new channel members to it as long as they are the part of consortium. Thank you.